Excited about making fashion feel legendary? You might rock the world of fashion communication. Because fashion is more than design. It's the story that people wear, talk about, and live. 1.42 billion USD Chandler Global Fashion Magazine market by 2030. 39.7 billion USD Global Fashion Influencer Marketing market by 2030.
322 billion USD plus global social commerce fashion market by 2033. There's room for voices that don't just speak, but shape the culture. The JD Edge makes you a smart fashion communicator.
Study MA in Fashion Communication.
The JD Edge turns messages into momentum. Learn advanced communication strategy, content, copy, storytelling, culture analysis. Master digital platforms, social strategy, brand voice, influencer ecosystems. Understand media production, video, editorial, podcasts, interactive design. Explore trend forecasting, brand culture, and human insights.
By the end, you'll craft narratives that won't just inform, they'll inspire action and a cult following. There are many paths you can explore: fashion content strategist, editorial director, social and digital lead, brand experience curator, influencer and community strategist.
JD is the place to kickstart your journey. For 38 plus years, we've empowered visionary storytellers, industry exposure that places you in real scenarios, mentors who help find and elevate your voice,
AI-ready tools and production tech for today's media landscape. What's more, debut your work at the iconic JD Design Awards, your first chapter of influence.
then get placement support and step confidently into your creative career.
Are you ready to go beyond just recording fashion story and actually influencing it? Get the JD Edge today.